Hello guys, be here with CC Designs and I am so excited to be here. This is my first video for CC Designs and this week is very special because we have the new release and this one was released on Tuesday, catch 'em all. And then yesterday we had this one, the Celebrate Sweeties, so cute. And today we are releasing or previewing the Twila Birthday, and this is what we're gonna be using today. So here's everything that I'm gonna be using. I have these die from Whimsy stamps, and then I have the banners also from Whimsy, and then I have this paper from Stamp Anything, and I know the paper is a little bit smaller than my die, but I'm gonna use it anyway because I want to and because it's so pretty. And I think we're gonna be using the little girl right here instead of Henry for next time. So here I have my background. I decided to do that lavender, and then this pink shiny one, like a pastel. I thought it was great for a girl. And then this one is the paper that I chose, the confetti paper, because we're celebrating. It's a celebration card, right, for happy birthday. And I have put behind that die, the one that looks like cheese, I guess. Like, I don't know. I have put double-sided tape, and here I am just adding some glue to this pattern paper so I can glue it down to my card base. And after this, I am just going to remove the backing of my double-sided tape and add my acetate. I'll see you when I'm done. Then I have here some foam tape. I love this tape. It's from Barely Art. It comes pre-cut and it's just like perfect. You just gotta, cut whatever your foam tape ends and continue. And you know what? I thought that this was gonna be so much fun. At the end, you'll see because some of the holes of that die has some of the acetate, right? So the shaker beads are going to be in the middle, and it looks like they're going to come out, but they don't, which I think it's really neat. And for a little girl, that's going to be so much fun. And these sequin minks I'm using, I thought it was perfect for this. It has a pink and the purple, and it's perfect. I just love it. So here I have my banners. I cut in the polka dot blue and then pink, and I also cut with the silver glittery paper, which I think that's what I'm gonna use, the silver glitter paper and the pink polka dot instead of the blue and that silver one. I'm gonna save them for a different project. And here what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put actually double-sided tape behind those little banners because I don't want to make a mess with glue and acetate. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll see you at the end. So now we're gonna work on our image, and I think I want her right there to the left side of my car. I'm gonna set my car aside, and I'm gonna bring my Misty, and I am using here to stamp this cardstock that I use, the white cardstock to color. It's Hammermill 100-pound, and I get it from Amazon, and it has been the perfect paper for me to use when I color. So this is what I do with my new stamps. I just rub them a little. If you have an eraser, you can also erase some like on the back to prep your stamp. And then the ink I use to stamp is Memento Tuxedo Black. I find that it works great with my alcohol markers, so it doesn't smear at all. I also usually double stamp because I want my lines to be crisp and perfect. And here I'm stamping the sentiment. I chose the happy birthday to you. Here is my image. Now I'm gonna go ahead and color, and here we have her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And let me know in the comments below if you would like me to color along, if you want to color along with me, and I can do a video for just coloring. I did add all the colors that I used for her are in the comment section, in the description box below, sorry. And you can color her as well the same way, or any way you want it. I just wanted to match my car. And here I'm adding my sentiment with double-sided tape as well, because it's going to be right there on the acetate. Let's do this, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. And here it is. I think it looks so cute, and it's perfect for a little girl's birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure that you join our Facebook group. We have monthly challenges there where you can win a gift card to the shop. I'll see you next time.